Hola. This video is going to give you overview on most talked about topic of decade, that is, machine learning. When a baby learns to walk, he falls by first collision with a table. Next time, while walking, when he finds table in his path, he changes his way. This example explains that after committing mistake for first time, human brain learns not to repeat it. Similarly, machine learns or develops logics from historical information or data, and gives output a future prediction. Now, let's understand this better by smart example. Here, Vijay is using all modern day technology in his daily routine. He starts his day with intelligent device to which he asks question and get relevant replies.
Good morning Alexa, what is expected minimum and maximum temperature today?
Vijay, today minimum temperature will be 6 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 17 degrees Celsius.
Okay. What do you think I should have for breakfast today?
You can have French toast and coffee for breakfast, as you had it long time back.
So, Vijay rely for many decision making on this smart device. This device has learnt all his day-to-day activities. It stores all daily habits of him and then gives best response, and helps him in his daily life. Then, in his office, he works very hard all day. He thinks of ordering some food. When he opens food app, he see recommendations of nearby food joints according to his previous preferences. This way it's easy for him to decide and place order. Then he could also track his order. Here, machine learning develops logic from historical order information of Vijay like cuisine, price band, restaurants, and create recommendation list accordingly. Before leaving for home, Vijay goes to ATM to withdraw money. He visit to this ATM, which is within his office. Although it's high usage, it's never out of cash. This is because bank use machine learning algorithm to predict expected cash withdrawals, measuring the supply and demand. Then Vijay, before heading back to home, checks the shortest route on traveling app, which suggests least time to reach home. The machine takes all user data and measure the traffic on each route, then finds out the shortest path to his destination. Like him, everyone in the city are smartly using this app for traveling, considering the traffic. All these smart technologies solutions used by Vijay are backed by machine learning algorithms. We are heading towards world where decisions will be backed by machines' logic. So,